Okay, so window native full screen controls if native full screen should be used on Mac OS. Disable this option to prevent Mac OS from creating a new space when going full screen. So this is set to true by default, and if you click the green button here, it's going to make VS Code full screen, and it creates a new space. So you're going to see these things right here, right? And you can, what do you call it? Change, swipe to new spaces by using 3 fingers on your keypad or 2 on your mouse. Now, if you set this to false, and VS Code requires a restart, if you do that, you're going to have this ugly looking bar right here. And if you press full screen, this is full screen. Well, obviously, I do enjoy very much the native full screen functionality, so I'm going to leave the setting in its default state of true.